Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Yay! Anyway, I just wanted to share something with you. I've got a lot going on in my head. Yes, a lot in my head. Um, anyway, I got a goal I want to do. Yeah, I guess it's kind of like I don't know why, but it's bugging me the idea of making well, I started cleaning my room here, and I just keep looking at my cinch, and I just want to make more. Ever since I did that day, it's the wanting to make them has increased about 50%, and the idea will not go away. So I'm not going to fight it. I'm just going to go with it. I sat on it for about a week, and it's been nagging at me. So I'm going to support it. I'm going to figure out what to do next. I I have ideas now. It's been a while of thinking on it, and I know what I want to do. I'm almost there. I just have to get in and do it. So, I got to buy some paper. I got to start. I want to do a lot more than what I've done size wise, but there's only certain sizes you can do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out small and see how it goes, because I want to make not sketchbooks, but watercolor books and notebooks. Yeah, notebooks, possibly journals too. I've been thinking of that too. But I have that. I have Canva. I have ideas with that too. So like I said, notebooks, sketchbooks, not well, maybe sketchbooks too. Who knows? Maybe I'll make a couple for myself and test them out or whatever. Anyway, I just was thinking on that. That's like I said, it's just ideas. I'm still sitting on the ideas, but my ideas are coming. I just have to work them out somehow, plan them out, section by section by section. So, like I said, I just have ideas right now. Once I start getting into the process, I'll let you guys know more of what my ideas and goals are. But right now I don't have goals. I just have ideas. And when you have ideas, you get really inspired by those ideas, which is what's happening. Anyway, don't worry, I'm going to still paint. It's not going to stop. Okay? My lighting in here is terrible. These trees are all out my window. Anyway, it makes me crazy because it's so dark in here. It's hard to edit or video. So it looks dark in the videos, and I'm always working on the color and the filters and all that stuff, in the editing process. Anyway, I'll let you finish watching the video, guys. Bye, guys. I hope you have a great day.